Hey guys, welcome to Simpler Futures. In our video tonight, we are going to take a look at the soybean market. We'll take a look at the soybeans, soybean meal, soybean oil, and also the euro. Why? Because we've got a crop report coming out tomorrow that could possibly move the meal, the soybean oil, and the soybeans. And we have an election going on today, which potentially with the strength or weakness of the dollar, could also help move the grain markets. Now, let's start with the soybeans. Soybeans had a pretty good update today, and off of this move, we were up 12 cents on the day, and we still have not made the rotation off of the trend back to the upside. It's still red off of the, which is signaling still a downward type momentum. But as you can see, today's big move in 3 days to the upside, we should begin to get that change probably tomorrow if we have an update. We've got a crop report that's coming out at noon Eastern. Make sure that if you're trading, you're taking protection in the market ahead of the crop report. Now, on the soybean meal, which is /ZM, it's trading at 315 even. It was up $3.10, and the meal is down toward the lows, and it's below the 100-period EMA. As I take a look at that, I'll take a look at notice the pattern with us down at these lows. Now take a look at soybean oil. Soybean oil has had a pretty strong move, and it's close to its highs off of the daily chart. You can see here the high was 36.23, and we're at 35.33, and a pretty good move. I'm looking for a potential reversal if the numbers, once the numbers are out tomorrow, that we may see the soybean meal pick up some strength and the oil begin to sell off back toward this 100-period EMA. First of all, of course, is a 55 EMA, which has been supporting this market along the way, all the way back into August. Since we got on the upper side of the 100-period EMA. The 55 has held it pretty strong. Now, if we cross the 8 and the 21-period exponential moving average, this is the 8, the yellow is the 21, then I'm looking for this sell-off to at least come back down and test the 55 EMA, which would be about 34 cents. Potentially good moves. Now, lastly, take a look at the euro. And the dollar has been stronger today and yesterday. And the euro was down 14 ticks. And let's take a look at it. This is a futures contract. This is not the Forex. So what we're looking at is how foreign exchange markets affect it. If the dollar is stronger, we potentially could have more overseas business done out of the market for the grains, that they would go overseas to buy the grain. I'm not a fundamental trader. I'll be looking at it, but the dollar does have an effect on these markets. And also, big thing that will really have an effect is this crop report tomorrow. Make sure that if you're trading the grains, that you're aware at noon Eastern that there's going to be a movement off of the market somewhere. Guys, good trading. Trade smart, use your stops, and see you in the next video.